Just let me introduce myself. I'm publishing editor at Spring and Nature, and I'm working for the group Eastern Europe Extended, which includes 35 journals. Most of them are translated journals from former Soviet Union. Some of them are existing already since more than 50 years. So, and first of all, I would like to thank Alexei for this opportunity to present the results of the performance of Journal of Mathematical Sciences in 2024. And let me say that we are, as Spring and Nature, we are very proud to have Alexei on board as our editor-in-chief, and the success of our journal is mainly achieved to Alexei and his incredible commitment. Historically, the Journal of Mathematical Sciences was a translated journal. Now it is open for direct submissions since 2021, and from all over the world, the scientists can submit their manuscripts in English. Also, it concludes 11 Russian and Ukrainian language source journals, which Spring translating and publishing within the Journal of Mathematical Sciences. The content of the journal is divided into Series A, direct submissions, and translated content in Series B. So you can see some journal metrics, and I will go into some of this data in more detail. So let's see now how the editorial development looks like. The table below summarizes the activity of the journal between January 1st and December 31st of each year, and only original submissions of the Series A has been considered because our source journals are working independently, and we do not have an overview about submissions running by these journals. During the peer review process, submitted manuscripts go through one or more revision stages and leading up to acceptance or rejections. In 2023, we have received over 400 submissions for Series A, and in 2024, already over 1,000. What is really impressive, most of them has been rejected. The rejection rate is over 70%, and this shows that our editor-in-chief, Alexei, and his team and editorial board and the reviewers, which Alexei recruited, takes their job very seriously and attached high priority to quality of the publications. The turnaround times takes from submission to first decision short time, what is very important for the authors. So let's look on the geography of the authors. The majority of submissions are coming from India. I think it is also caused by two special issues we have handled last year. There was from Indian guest editors, so there was very active. And you can see the overview of the publication, and most of publications are coming from Russian authors. We can therefore say that we have succeeded in convincing authors from more than 50 countries to choose our journal to submit. So you see here the overview, and it goes beginning from Russia and you see Cameroon, Nepal, Azerbaijan, etc. The Springer authors benefit from a convenient way to resubmit their manuscripts to a suitable journal via transfers, while editors can expand their journal's service by offering a friendly alternative to a rejection without any additional work. So receiving transfers from other journals give us access to interesting new submissions for our journal. The entire publication process can be faster. Then the reviewer reports are included in the transfer, and it's reducing the workload for reviewer community. So you can see that we have transferred to other journals 3 articles last year. And here you can see the overview where the manuscripts have been rejected by Journal of Mathematical Sciences in 23 and current date eventually published. Here's overview of the Springer journals where the articles has been transferred. And here you can see where the articles which we has been rejected has been published, and most of them has been published by Elsevier. So let's take a look on our production output. This overview includes also the source journals, publications, but you see the amount of articles is quite high, and their publication rate is stable, what is very good for the journal. And this year we have already published 133 articles. In 2024, we were able to increase the number of articles published in open access and more than double it. We had 13 open access articles, and this year already 2. So let's look how we circulate our content. And this is possible in part thanks to our very wide subscriptions and our transformative agreements, which enable participating institutions to combine journal subscription access along with open access publication costs. So the EPCs for these certain articles we have published in open access has been paid by institutions, but not by the authors themselves. You can see that the classical individual subscription model is no more up to date. So we have for our Journal of Mathematical Sciences only 2 subscriptions. I would like to show you an usage of Journal of Mathematical Sciences. You see the number of downloads we had in these years, and you see, since we have direct submissions, the number is increasing, really impressive. And the download champions are the articles which has been published in open access. What a surprise! We can say why the we cannot say why the preface to the Georgian Mathematical Union special edition, special issue was accessed over 30,000 times, but we were curious about such success and looked at the details, and 90% of downloads came from China. This preface has clearly catched the Chinese community. And here overview with all time top 10 full text article requests in 2024, we see the same trend. The most of the download champions are articles published in open access. And total item requests by content age. Here we see that our readership is equally interested in the old content published between 1997 and 2023, and also new content published after 2024. The most of the readers find the journal content via Google. And please take a look to the visits by geography. So the most of visits we have from Russia, from India and Russia, following United States. So from all over the world. We are offering to the authors the possibility to share content easily and legally, and to use the link, which can be copied and sent to colleagues or including on social media platforms. So that is how many times the authors has used this shared its opportunity. So I would like to present you some data about our impact. And Journal of Mathematical Sciences is indexed in Scopus and is ranked in Q3. Last year, we submitted an application for indexing in Web of Science. So journal is currently being evaluated. And we hope to receive feedback from Clarivate at the end of this year. So I expect it will be positive. So just take a look. This Q3. And just to close my presentation, I would like to honor Alexei once again for his work, and thank all the guest editors, editorial board members, and reviewers who have made this success story, the transformation from a simple translated journal into an established and interesting journal for authors from all over the world possible. Thank you very much.